Sa tanong ni Tito CNCL, ang trading ba ay parang sugal, game of chance at mas mataas winning rate pag alam mo yung game? Ako po, I don't consider yung trading as a game of chance. I consider it as a game of probability. Okay? Kasi pagka game of chance, tataya ka lang, pula or puti. Tapos you just roll the dice. Kung tatama sa pula, panalo ka. Kung tatama sa puti, talo ka. Alright? So, yun, magro-roll ka lang ng dice. That's the game of chance. Pero pag sinabi mong game of probability, okay, so tinitignan mo yung mga setups, meron kang tatayaan na mas mataas yung probability of winning compared to losing. Okay? So, kaya ina-analyze. Kaya po nag-a-analyze tayo ng charts. Binabasa natin. Ano yung probability of this breaking out? Ano yung probability of this breaking down? Doon ako tataya. Kasi kung wala kang analysis, abay, sige, pato ka lang. Taya ka lang. That's the game of chance. But trading for me is a game of probability. And anything na hindi mo aaralin, even trading, kung hindi mo po aaralin ito at magtataya ka lang basta-basta, yun yung gap. Sumusugal ka. So even sa love, even sa relationship, even sa business, kung hindi mo aaralin ang isang bagay, basta lalagyan mo lang ng pera, tatayaan mo lang nang hindi mo inaaral, sumusugal. So kaya importante po na mag-aral. Follow for more Tito Moves!